So here we've got a Remington Tactical 308. It's got a Sako TRG, Tikka Tactical and Blazer Tactical muzzle brake on it. Shooting Remington core lock ammunition, 180 grain. So here it is with the TRG brake. Here it is with a TE Terminator brake, which is designed to screw straight on the TRG, the Tikka and the Blazer barrels. It's opened up for 338 just like the factory brake. It's the same size as the factory brake. Here it is with no brake at all. So that's where they ended up, the TRG brake there on the left and the TE Terminator brake on the right, with the 308 case in between them. There's the factory ammo. That's where the rifle ended up when it was finished, with no brake on it. Thanks for watching.